Hi guys. So today we just wanted to create one CDS view and how to bring the data from S4HANA to BW4HANA. What is our target? Bring data from S4HANA to BW4HANA and create CDS view. Create CDS view. Okay. And we already seen it in the before classes, which annotation we are using for simple CDS view and what are the functions we are using it. Okay, for BW extraction, we require two important annotations. Even in interview also, they will ask you what are the annotations we'll use for to extract from S4 HANA to BW4 HANA. So this is very, very important. And you can go to the S4 HANA, we'll see with a practical example. And see, this is S4 HANA system I logged in. You can see the perspective is ABAP. So here, if you are confused, click on this perspective, open perspective, and select this ABAP. Once you click on this perspective, and then you can see this is S4 HANA system. Okay, now just right click on this and click on new and choose this option other ABAP repository object. I don't see any serious use here. So we are going for other ABAP repository. Now here, just type CDS views means core data services, right? Just give core. See, you can see core data services. Select the data definition, click on next. And now we are not going to move from development to quality, quality to production. In the real time, you need to collect in the package level. But as of now, we are creating a dummy system. We have only one system. I can't move to other system. That is the way it is local. So, okay, we need to give the CDS view name. Okay, I'm giving kind of naming convention GCDS BW extraction. Okay, now just click on next. Click on next. So I'm not selecting any transport request here because by default it is disable only because we selected local temporary $TMP. $TMP. If you are selecting package, then it will enable create new request or choose existing one. Come next. See here we having couple of templates. Use the selected template. So if you don't want, you can select and finish it so that all predefined template will not come. And now I just selecting define view and click on this so that all predefined annotations will come automatically. Click on finish. Once click on finish, you can see here at the rate ABAP catalog SQL view name. This is very important. Without giving this SQL view name, it will throw error. We'll see that. Okay, this is the CDS view name. This is the CDS view name. And this metadata ignore. So this is not that much important. Even if you have, if you don't, if you don't use also not problem. Okay, it will not throw any error. So if you want make it as comment, you can use that. So I'm ignoring that. Okay, I don't even so this authorization check I'm giving not required. I don't want to give any authorizations. Okay. And now you can give like no SQL view name. We'll see without SQL view name we'll try. Okay. Now so I wanted to bring data from the sales order predefined SAP CDS view. Okay. So I don't want to create new CDS view. Okay. Already existing. I want to consume from the predefined CDS view. Sales order. Do we have any sales order? Yes. Here you can see sales order. Select this option. Yes. Now here you can select control space. You will get lot of objects will come, but do you require all these things? See, many in objects came. Do you record all these subjects? If you want, you can use it. Okay. Now here is sales order. Sales order is the key. Okay. And if you want to make it as like no sales order header, don't give any space. You can give comment as well. Sorry. If you want to give comment also, you can give it. Okay. This is the primary key in this series view. Fine. Now, if you want to use any function, kind of concat. Example, concat. How we will use last video, I mean last class we unable to identify it. So I checked with this guy, server guy, and he helped me. And now it is working in the others is for HANA. Okay. So if you want to combine sales order and sales order item, and then you can use this function concat. Okay. And I will copy this one, sales order, comma. If you want, you can remove also. No problem. And sales order item. And we need to give the alias name as well. Otherwise, it throw away. Mm, combined value. Like this, I will do. So now it will not, it is concatenating both sales order and sales order time, sales order type. It will come into the under combined value. Just simple activate it. Now you will see it. What is the error? Any error do we have? See here. What it is throwing error? Name of SQL view missing. Okay. See, it is giving annotation as well. ABAP catalog SQL view name must be specified. You can see here. So because we didn't give name this SQL view name, now I'm giving it. Okay. Same name I will give, but I'll remove the space underscores. I'll remove this. The length of SQL view name 16. Let me activate now. Or else control F3, it will activate it. Okay, right click and check it. If you are getting results at data preview level, then it is working fine without any issues. See here, sales order is 59 and 03. See, 5903 and it is order type is TA. 59 TA and here 03 ORA, OR1, you can see here TA, it is added. So it is, we can add like this. And now, you know right how to use this concatenate. And if you have any result set kind of, let me go to up. If you have any lowercase letters in this, trying to here we having purchase order. See here we having purchase PO as a lowercase letters. So we wanted to convert this as a capital letter. So what is the field name? Purchase order by customer. So then I will use one more function. What is this? Purchase order. This one. purchase order by customer, right? So I'm going to give the one more function upper. Last class it was not worked, so I'm changing the system. Very simple to define this function. Okay. Now I don't have any issues. I will activate it. Now we can go and refresh. Where is the refresh option? Let me review again. Purchase order by customer. See here. Earlier it was like just a small PO. Now it is converted as a PO. Now you can see all converted wherever we having lowercase letters. Okay. You won't see any lowercase letters. Clear? How many records are there? 90 records. So we designed calculation view, CDS view. This is a CDS view name. So by using these annotations, I can't bring data into the BW. So what are the two important annotations? At the rate, analytics, data category, and now this is control space. You can give control space fact. So here we can see cube, dimension, and fact. What is the use of dimension and fact and cube? You can see, right? Fact means it will have only, it will support for transactional data. The dimension, it will support for only master data. And the cube, when you will go, like I have a dimension and I have a factor. And in the fact table, in the fact dimension, fact CDSV level, I want to use the dimension. I want to associate with the dimension. Then you will go for cube in that case. Okay. And if you want to do any report, then you can go for cube as well. Only the difference is fact and cube. If you want to associate any dimension, then you can go for cube. And the fact level, the fact is support for transactional and dimension is support for master data. So now, and at the rate analytics, that space and data extraction, that space enable to type enable to. So these are very, very important. Without these two annotations, it won't support. It will not able to see in the BW level. Okay. So example, what I will do, I will make comment these two. I'll make comment these two. I'll make comment and activate, and then I will see this CDS view, this SQL view in the BW system. Now I will go to the BW system. I logged in. Now you can go to this system. See, under we having data sources, under we having different source systems. Now ODP ABAP CDS view you select. Even you can go RS1 and there also you can see it. I selected this system, right click on this source system. You can click on data source. Now simple, just click on this next and proposal from operational data provisioning. See, this is called ODP. Somebody will ask you like, no, did you work on ODP? This is ODP, operational data provider. By default, it is selected. Now I'm searching for my CDS view. Okay, are you getting CDS view? No. Search completed with 0. Why? Because these two annotations not available. Now I'm enable the comment, remove the comment, and now activate the CDS view. Once gray color gone, it will be active. Let it activate it. Yeah, now it is activated. Now you can go and see it here. Again, we'll create the source system and we'll search for it. So this one, right click, and now you can go create data source. Click on next, click on next. Now you can search for your SQL view name. See, now it is coming exactly. What is the CDS view? Our SQL view name. Don't search for this CDS view name. Search for this SQL view name. ZCDS BW extraction, right? This is on ZBD CDS BW extraction. Exact same name it came. Okay, clear? And now click on next. So what we selected? Fact only, right? Fact. If you are keeping dimension, it will come dimension. Clear? Click on next and give the CDS view name. Click on next. If you want to select, you can select by default. Add to favorites as well. Your data source will store into the favorites level. Now data source is going to create based on this SQL view name. Yeah, now you can see in the red color means in the data source corner red color means it is not activated. Now you can go to the extraction tab. See here, no delta, only full. It won't support for delta. So I didn't use any annotation for enable the delta. So as of now, it will not work for delta. It will only support for full. So that is why delta properties also in disable. Clear? And just activate it. So if you want to see the data in the data source level, you can click on this show data preview. It is taking time actually. Yeah. See now it is showing, right? This is what we have data in the source level. This is only combined value given, right? You can go data preview and you can see it. Okay. What is the combined value came? See, this is combined value only, right? Now you can see here combined value came. See here 59 TA, 59 TA. So same only, right? 590345. Same. Okay. This is data source preview and this is CDS view. Clear? And then we'll design. What is the data source name? This one, right? See here, GCDS BW extension. This is only BW. So what you do, right click on this data source, go to explore data flow. Okay, clear. I will close this data preview for data source. So now we have data flow. I'll create one new ADSO, create to select okay. So we are extracting from the S4 by using CDS. So do you know what is the data source name? See here, this is my data source name. Click on browse. See here, just double click this. Automatically source system will come. So observe this thing and deleting and go to browser and I'm selecting my data source and automatically it will come. Clear? Click on finish. What is this? Must be 329. Our ADSO name should be 329, not more than 9. See, still having some issue. Okay. Click on finish. Now it is accepted. Between 3 to 9. So I by default it is selected standard data store object. Okay. If you want, you can design staging advanced ISO and you can select this one. Now you can go to details and automatically the key fields will come based on this source level. What is the key field in the our S4 HANA CDS view? The sales order. So automatically sales order came. Are we designing? Are we given any key? No, right? So automatically sales order came first field. You can see the first field it is making automatically that is only key. Okay, I'm activating ADSO. So once ADSO activated, see it is activated. Now go to data flow. So very simple to designing the ADSO as well. So you can go here, you can keep it very flexible. Okay, now I'm making this as a so okay. Double click on this and create finish. So transformation. We are creating new transformation. Okay. Now go to rules. So the rules will be automatically selected. No need to do it anything because it is a field based modeling. If you are taking any new info objects, then only it will not map. So both are structure are same, right? Source and target. You can see, observe it. So this is tan, same field only, right? This is completely field-based modeling, not info object modeling. So that is why it is mapped automatically. If you have fields left side and if you have info object, then it will not map automatically. Just note this point. In the ADSO, while you are designing ADSO, if you are taking any info, that will not map it automatically because that is info object. So here source also field and target also field, then it will map automatically, easily system will identify. Creating new DTP. To load the data from CDS view to ADSO, we need to create the DTP. Without DTP, I can't load data from CDS view to ADSO. Remember this point. See here, by default, it is selected extraction mode as full. So it is in disable mode as well. I don't have any option to select delta as well because As of now, my CDS views will not support for delta. So I don't write any annotation. We'll see in the next session how we will bring delta records and we'll create new records in the source and it will bring or not, that we'll see it. So this section all in the disable mode. When it is supporting delta, then it will, this section also will be enabled. Okay. And just click on this so that data we will move to the ADSO. So now I'm loading data from CDS to this option by using this option. And what is our DSO name? ZView cell. Okay. So just select this option, open SAP GUI, Control 6. Click on this and log in this. What is our ADSO name? There is a T code RSMNG in the BW4HANA. You can give ZView underscore. Okay, this is my ADSO. Now we loaded data right by using DTP. Now you can see it. The data load got failed. Why it is failed? We'll see it. Fine, let me do it one thing. Don't take this many fields because we just combined unnecessary objects. Just for you understand only I taken all this. And okay, fine. So now it is very simple model. Just activate it. Is it working or not? We'll see. Okay, now it is working. And go to maybe some date issues also it will go. See here, it is coming like no PM and all creation time. So it will throw error and all. Let me remove this time as well. Yeah, now it is fine, looks fine. We'll see now. Go to data flow and again I will have to go to our database, open this data source and again I will activate it. Once activate, because it has to understand we removed many fields in the source. Still coming. Fine. Or else we will. I'm just trying to replicate because the series is changed, it's still showing all unnecessary fields. So this is the way we can extract data from S4HANA to BW, and it is in inactive mode. Active, back. Actually, it is in inactive mode. Let me go back. I will go to the data flow level and then ZCDS BW extraction, right? I will delete and I will add again. I'll create. I'll create again if you want. Sorry, delete. We'll create again. No problem. Actually, this is a dummy system, so it will not work as expected. What is our CDS view name? ZCDS. Close and copy this SQL view name. Now search for our SQL view name. Now it is searching for, there is RFC connection issue. Why? Let me search. Fine. Okay. Next class we'll see, but this is the way we'll create it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.